Hi everyone, Dallas here from Body Fabulous Pregnancy and Postnatal Fitness. Now I know as a new parent, one of the most important things is getting a correctly fitted car restraint. One thing that happened to me was when I left the hospital with my new baby, was we got to the hospital car park and there were so many parents there trying to adjust their car seat to fit their new baby. So today, I've brought in an expert from Hire for Baby. Hire for Baby is a fantastic service as you can hire a car seat from them, you can actually take in your own car restraint and get it expertly fitted, and also get some fantastic tips and advice on not only fitting your car seat, but how to adjust it for that most important first ride home with your new baby.
Hi Dallas.
Hi Wiki, thanks for joining us today.
You're very welcome. So yes, that is a common story that parents just trying to make their way home and they struggle to get their seats and their baby into the seats and all of that. So today hopefully I can give you some advice on how to make that first ride home as smooth as possible.
That's fantastic because we all know no one really knows what size baby you're going to give birth to, so it's very common that you're going to have to adjust your car restraint accordingly.
So hopefully you've gotten your seat professionally installed, which will then look something like this. Before you get up to the hospital, there's just a couple of things you need to get done first so that to get ready for your baby. So one of the first thing is to lower your top tether. So all you do there is squeeze the buckle there and then pull towards the direction of the tether, and then you lower that top tether, open up a room for your baby to go into. So the next thing you need to adjust is the internal harness. You just need to loosen this up, get ready for your baby. So there's a metal adjuster at the bottom of the seat. You could lift that. Some seat is a press, this one's a lift, so you lift that. Both hands under the harness and pull forward. This will give you then room to then release the harness and then open this up. Just leave that to either side. Get ready for your baby. So now that you have your baby into the car seat, one of the first things that you need to adjust for is the point where the harness actually goes into the seat relative to the baby's shoulder. In Jessie's case here, you can see that the harness actually, her shoulder is actually above the point where the harness goes in. So we'll need to adjust this seat a little bit to make sure that Jessie fits. So for this particular seat, and every seat is different, this one, all you've got to do to adjust the point where the harness goes in is actually to push here, and then you can lift the back plate, and then the point that the harness goes into the seat will follow. So you can adjust that relative to your baby's shoulder to get the seat ready. Okay, so now that the harness has been adjusted and your baby is in, all you've got to do is then take your buckle and buckle Jessie up. So first side, you may not hear a click, but when the second side goes in, you'll hear this big click. That means both the harness buckle are now locked in. So now we need to just tighten the harness so that Jessie's is firmly into the seat and secure. So now that your baby's in and properly fitted, the last thing that you've got to do is to adjust the top tether back up again. So all you've got to do here is pull firmly so that you've just got it removing all the slack and it's taut enough. You're not overdoing the top tether by any means. Otherwise you start to lift the seat up from the vehicle itself, which is not ideal. So just finger taut, that's plenty good. And now your baby is ready for that first ride home.